Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video is a tour to my apartment. I am so excited to do this video today, so let's get started. If you plan on moving to Toronto, then this video might be helpful for you. We are a family of 3 and we live in a 1-bedroom apartment which costs us around $1,400 per month. Whereas 2-bedroom apartment costs $1,650 and penthouses cost $2,000 per month in the same building. We have seasonal outdoor pool, indoor car parking, central AC, sauna and gym. Rent includes our heating and AC charges, heating in winter and centralized AC for the rest of the season. We also get stove and refrigerator in the kitchen. Other expenses that comes along with rent are hydro, laundry and home insurance. For our usage we get around $45 to $50 per month, and for laundry it costs us $50 per month, whereas home insurance, which is a must, and we pay around $35 per month. Now we are done with all the expenses. Let's move on to my home. This is how it looks as we enter the apartment. We have a spacious living room, kitchen, dining area, 1 bedroom and a restroom. We have tried to set up this house in a minimum budget. This 3-piece leather recliner sofa set is from a local warehouse and we got this for $1,200. If we had got this from a branded showroom, the same would cost nothing less than $2,400. One of them is having a rocking option as well. Believe me, it is so comfortable, easy to assemble, and they even did a free home delivery for us. To the right, we have a small closet to keep our jackets and shoe racks. These racks are from Dollarama, $3 each. The chair that we see here is from IKEA, which I got for $10. And I mostly use to reach the smoke detectors when it's alarming. It is very sensitive and it goes off every time I start cooking. We have 2 small closets as well here, and one of which I use to keep my laundry stuff and other to keep our files and other household stuff. We usually prefer buying electronic items from Costco. This Samsung Smart TV is from Costco. And we use the Jadoo setup box to watch our Indian channels live, which is around $200. This is a portable heater which comes with a tiny remote and it is very convenient to control the room temperature. This tower heater is also from Costco and we got this for around $65. We have 2 entries to kitchen. So one is from the living room, which we are seeing now, and other is from the dining area. This corner of the house looks dark because there is no proper lighting in this area. We usually prefer the living room to be bright and we decided to get this lamp from IKEA, which costed us $13, and a bulb of 70 watt costed us around $6. This vent is for the centralized heating and AC, but the controller is having only 2 options of low and high. We sometimes prefer using our portable heater to have better control over the temperature. This is actually a dining area, but we are using it as a play area for my daughter. This desk is from Step 2 and we got this for $80. The door next to the desk is to the balcony. We have a very good view from our 25th floor, and these doors and windows are very well insulated, so you won't feel much cold when you're closer to the doors and windows. This playhouse, magnetic board and foam mat is from Walmart, and the chair which is inside the house, the small chair, is from the Canadian Superstore. I usually prefer buying the kids stuff from Superstore or Walmart for two reasons. One being the quality and the second price. Also, the customer service is very good in these places. Here is the other entry to kitchen from dining area, but this way doesn't have any door. Here is the entry to kitchen, and these are magnetic letters for my daughter to play. And to the left I have a small puja mandir, and all these things I got from a local puja hut. We get everything here. There's nothing specific that you have to get from India. The kitchen stall here is very small, so I'm keeping my oven on the dining table. The refrigerator and the electric stove are the two appliances that are provided by the property owner, and these kitchen mats are from IKEA. Bigger mat is we got for $14 and the smaller one for $4. Most of these organizers are from Dollarama and IKEA. IKEA has got a very good collection for reasonable price. This Preeti blender, I got it from Amazon and it is super costly. It is always better to get this from India. This electric stove comes with a bake and grill option. Mattresses are super costly here in Canada, and this mattress along with box spring we got it for $400. And this indoor slippers I got it for $7 from Ardeen. Ardeen is a very nice shopping place exclusively for women where you get such good stuffs. We need a very good comforter to keep us warm all night during winter. So these comforters are from Superstore and they are $40 each. The closet in the room is very small and it is not sufficient to keep all the clothes, so we got this organizer from Amazon for $60, and it is very good, easy to use, easy to assemble, and the price is also reasonable. We got this portable humidifier from a local store for $40. Humidifier is a must during winter. It helps in restoring the moisture in the atmosphere. Also, it prevents us from flu infections. To the right, we have a small closet to keep our clothes. This apartment comes with 3-piece bathroom set which includes wash basin, toilet and a bathtub. All the organizers and accessories are from Dollarama, like shower screen, brush holder, soap dispenser are all from Dollarama. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll try to give more information in my next video. If you have any feedback or suggestions, you can even comment below. Thank you.